Check in the text below and also in the comments. I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link when you do shopping. Thanks a bunch. I have two flashlights here. Let's see. Ultra bright rechargeable LED torch. Ah, cute. And lots of parts. A bigger flashlight and like a battery holder and a charging cable. Looks like it comes with a battery in it. See if we can figure this out. There's no instructions in this one, but I'm going to assume that we take this off. And I guess this is the rechargeable battery in here. Pretty nifty, adjustable. It does have an input and output, so once it gets charged, you can use it as a power bank to give power to your cell phone or something like that. It does come with a charging cable. Looks like a C charger. Yay! I like C chargers. But it doesn't have the wall mount, so you'll have to use the one that you have of that already. And probably when those four lights are all on, that's when it's going to charge. That's the way these things normally work. That's the chip on board light. It's just going to light up a little bit when we get fully charged. And I suppose that this is a backup that you can put some AA batteries in here. Looks like 3. And use that instead of the rechargeable battery in there if you want to. So that's a pretty handy feature. See if this one has any power to it. It does. So this one, it has a strobe to it too. So this one plugs in like that. So you just plug it into your wall charger straight in. I think I have one to do that with. And I actually have this one from Evatronic. I have a video up about it. So this can go in like that to charge. And the red light tells us that it's charging. For the large one, we're going to plug the C cable in here and then plug this in. Wrong way, always. And the blue lights right here tell us that it is charging. I'll let it do its thing. I'll let the small one charge in here. Let's see what happens to the light when it gets fully charged. This is just so cool having the USB port up here, because now I can just use the cable and plug it in like that and not necessarily have to try to find a wall charger. Green light must mean we are fully charged. Fully charged. All 4 lights are blue. This is the darkest room in the house, so this is where I usually test all of my lights. I'm going to test the larger one first. So it has a little illumination there. The 4 lights are telling us it's fully charged. This is where you operate the flashlight. It's a soft button you can feel. It smooths that side. And then here is the side that has the power bank, where you can remove energy from this and also use it to charge with the C charger. Pretty bright. That's the low beam. And we have a strobe beam. So if you wanted to shine that at somebody's eyes, I think that they would leave you alone. It's off. High, medium, strobe. My grandson and I took this in the woods last weekend. It was dark, and he perfectly fit his little hand. He's a toddler, and he handled it with ease. So it was quite useful. Let's try the smaller one now. Again, it's easy to find the switch in the dark because it has a little rubber coating. So I really think this is a black light. Because you see how the toilet paper is kind of like glow in the dark? It's off. That's the low beam. Excuse me, that's the high beam. That's the low beam. It's not very bright. And there's the strobe. So this is a mini. It is a mini light. So it's not going to be as powerful, of course. That's the larger one. But check in the text below and I'll provide a link on how you can buy yourself these. Nice. Let's see what these look like in the dark outside. Oh, a bright light. That's the low, bright strobe. And off. It's very bright for a small flashlight. See the little one now. Okay, the little one's not really shining much of a light out here. My motion sensor light just went on over there. The little one doesn't really shine very much. I think it's more of a party light, just like a blue light. That's on, strobe. Doesn't really shine anything. I don't know what kind of animal setting up my motion sensor light over there. Nothing I want out here. I'm about to go strobe it with this flashlight. Since I'm working on electricity, I cut the breakers off, which made it dark in here, so I'm using my flashlight that I'm charging to give me some illumination here. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving this video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment, and subscribing to my channel or to a playlist that has items of your particular interest. Thanks so much.